Starting a new Drupal project can feel a lot like stepping into this space. It's a massive, powerful environment. You have a world-class set of tools at your disposal, but absolutely no structures in place to start using them. Before you can even begin working on your actual website, you have to make a dozen foundational decisions: how to structure content types, how to manage media uploads, how to design landing pages. To get the environment running locally, you must stack Docker, PHP, Composer, and database configurations into a working pile. Stabilizing this stack for site building easily burns through 20 hours of setup time. For an experienced developer, that friction is just part of the job. But if you are a beginner, a trainer running a workshop, or a small agency with limited technical resources, it is a massive roadblock. The sheer weight of that initial infrastructure stops many projects cold. Organizations often abandon the platform before they ever reach the starting line. The DrupalHelps Starter Site on DrupalForge bypasses that entire process. Instead of downloading and configuring a local environment, you launch a fully operational workspace directly in the cloud. You don't have to wait through 20 hours of configuration. A working cloud-hosted Drupal site goes live in your browser in less than 5 seconds. Every component of the site consists of Drupal core and standard contributed modules. You have full visibility into how the site is assembled, with no proprietary locks or hidden layers between you and the code. This diagram shows core structures included instantly. You receive 4 working content types: articles, news, events, and landing pages. With Layout Builder pre-configured, construct pages visually. Drag and drop reusable sections exactly where you want them, without touching PHP. Because the cloud hosting is instant and the content structures are pre-built, you skip the configuration phase entirely. You log in and immediately start building your site. As you build out that site, the built-in tools scale with you. The Enhanced Media Manager is already configured, so non-technical editors can easily upload, organize, and reuse digital assets without losing track. This flowchart outlines built-in publishing controls. A document node moves through strict stages: draft, review, and published. Multiple authors can converge on the draft stage, funneling work through a single review point. For large organizations, strict approval chains are essential. While those visual and editorial tools are highly polished, advanced users are never locked out of the underlying code. This environment includes a cloud development environment by DevPanel. Alongside visual tools, you get browser-based access to Visual Studio Code, a terminal, Composer, and Git. A visual site builder can arrange page layouts, while a full-stack developer writes custom logic. They work simultaneously in the exact same cloud space, without causing friction for one another. This diagram illustrates a major logistical advantage for training programs. A single source node instantly duplicates into dozens of functional cloud environments. Instructors can hand every student an identical setup, bypassing individual laptop debugging completely. For digital agencies, this template serves as a standardized, repeatable baseline. You start every client project with a tested foundation, accelerating delivery and ensuring consistency. Small nonprofits and government teams gain immediate access to enterprise-grade publishing and layout tools without paying an agency to configure those features from scratch. The DrupalHelps Starter Site moves the starting line for Drupal projects. Users bypass the technical barriers of initial configuration, starting work inside a functional, ready-to-use site. You can skip the setup vacuum today. Launch the DrupalHelps Starter Site on DrupalForge and start exploring directly in your browser.